Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some Microlinks eye tips from Hergivenhair. This is actually their sub company, WingsbyHerGivenHair. They sent me everything I needed. They sent me the beads, the needle, the pliers. So the eye tips that I have are 3C4A and an 18-inch. The texture is kinky curly, as you can see. So I am not a professional, so I am just sectioning off my hair, but it's kind of too big. So you're going to have to do like a little smaller section to fit the bead and to fit the microlink through. I like to pre-bead my needle before I install my microlinks. So if you just section out your hair and just put the beads on before the microlinks, it kind of goes by a little faster, but it all depends on your hair texture. If you have relaxed hair, it might slide down. As you can see, my hair is kind of thick, so it was staying on there. I'm just putting the bead through, and like I said, just try to use smaller sections so the bead can go through easily. So you're going to have your hair and then the micro hair. So you want to place the micro hair over your real hair. Once you have it on there, you want to slide it down just a little bit so it's not on your root, because if you keep it on your roots, it will hurt. You just want to take your pliers and close it down. Not too hard. As you can see, it easily moves up and down with no pain. So if I want to take these out, I could use the pliers to open it up. As you can see, they have like holes right there that helps you open up the bead. Sometimes I use that and sometimes I don't. These are actual pliers that I bought, not the kind that came with them. So you just open up the bead the opposite way you closed it. It will open back up. And once you open it up, slide your micro link out. Then slide out the bead. It's that simple. So I did the rest off camera. I have them in, and I wet the hair, but I really didn't wet my hair that much because I wasn't sure if I wanted to straighten this hair later. So my hair, it still blend, but it doesn't blend as well as if I would have wet my hair also. It blends pretty well even though I didn't wet my own hair. I can barely tell the difference. It freely moves. I really do enjoy this style because I can do so many styles with it. A ponytail. It's not heavy. It's full. I really do enjoy the ponytail. I can do like a messy updo, little pineapple style. I can put it back down. It's so versatile and easy to do. So with my edges, I know y'all like, oh, she bald-headed. But let me tell you, I shaved them off, okay? That's what's going on. They're in the process of growing back. But that is all, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.